Okay, good day. Welcome to HGS Assist. Today we have a motherboard here, which the customer complained of the system not be able to connect to internet. It's not even seeing Wi-Fi network. So when we checked the motherboard, we saw that from the switch, from the schematic diagram, we have the switch. This is the switch for the wireless network. This is a wireless switch. This sensor tells the Wi-Fi to on. Now when we read this sensor, we discovered that 3 volts is coming in from this, but it does not give out 3 volts. Now we'll go to the board view. This is pin 1. Pin 1 and pin 3 should be the one. Should be the voltage out, which goes to resistor, to this resistor. Now this resistor should be having 3 volts. Now when we check it, this voltage is not present on this motherboard. Now what we did was to take it out from a donor board. We'll take it out from a donor board. This is the one we remove from the system. This is the one we remove from the system. I think this is the one. Okay, this is the one we remove from the system. Look at it from here. You'll see that it's totally damaged. Okay, look at it here. It's totally damaged. There is no contact at all. So we removed from this donor board. So the one we removed from this donor board and replace it here. Now as you can see, we have a clean work here on it. We have replaced it. Now with the meter reading, the voltage coming into this resistor is 3 volts. The voltage coming into this resistor is 3 volts. So let's fix it up and see if we have a network after the work we did. Now very clean system.
Very clean system.
Let's check if the network is present now. Okay, we have a network. We have a network. It's now visible. Let me try my network. Okay. We have a network. We have a network. Okay, we have a network present. Let's see if it will connect. Wow, I think my network, there are many traffics on my network. Okay, we have a network. It's okay. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing to HGS.